Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 24th of April 2012. International markets were hammered overnight amid fierce political uncertainty in Europe will derail plans to contain the region's debt crisis. In France, current President Sarkozy is set to lose an upcoming presidential vote to a challenger who has voiced his objection to the Eurozone's austerity measures. Meanwhile, the Dutch government has collapsed after a minority party refused to go along with plans to tame the country's budget deficit. Investors viewed the developments in Holland and France as a sign of Europe's wavering commitment to fix its debt problems, and they responded by sending regional equities sharply lower. The French and German indices tumbled around 3% each, with the FTSE sliding almost 2%. The magnitude of the declines weren't as severe in the US, with the main indices there shedding around 1% each. The pessimism in equity markets filtered through to commodities, with oil declining amid concerns a faltering global economy will dent energy demand. Copper suffered the worst punishment following yesterday's data out of China showing its manufacturing sector contracting for a sixth consecutive month. The euro was hit by the political uncertainty in France and Holland, in addition to data revealing a sharp slump in regional manufacturing activity. The shared currency was down 0.5% against the greenback and logged its first decline against the yen in 5 sessions. The Aussie dollar slipped 0.5% ahead of today's domestic CPI release. The data is likely to reveal modest inflationary pressures in the Australian economy, adding to the case for a rate cut next month. The global sell-off saw the SPY collapse below 43.50 and hit an intra-session low near 43.20. The index turned higher late in the US session, but any further gains in today's trade may be capped by the 43.50 region. Aussie shares are on track for a negative start to today's session. SPY futures are currently pointing to a 20-point loss for the physical market on the open.